Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the unboxing series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today we're going to be unboxing the Allewie Upholstered storage bed with 4 drawers. Make sure to watch all the way to the end because not only are you going to see exactly what you get upon opening the box, but we're also going to share with you our step-by-step assembly video showing you how to put it together, as well as our full and complete product review telling you everything there is to know about the bed. Real quick, make sure to like this video and subscribe to join our tribe. And so now, let's get straight into the unboxing. This storage bed ships in a single flat box. Here are 2 drawer bases. These newly designed drawers have the drawer sides already pre-installed, which saves you a step during the assembly. Here is a protective polyfoam sheet used to pad the headboard that is beneath it during shipping. It covers the entire length of the box and can be used as a safe surface to assemble parts on if you don't have a work table or carpet floors to work on. Here is the headboard wrapped in plastic. It's pretty lightweight and easy to handle. Make sure the buttons are intact before you start the assembly. Here are the cardboard edge protectors used inside the box to further prevent damage to parts. Here are the 2 metal headboard legs. Here are 2 of the 4 upholstered drawer fronts. You should organize these drawer fronts alongside the drawer frames because they will be used during the same steps of the assembly. Here are the metal support frames that the wooden slats will lay across. Here are the metal support frame attachments that will connect to the support frames that were just unboxed. Here are 2 more drawer fronts, making a total of 4. Organize the drawer fronts next to the other drawer parts. Here are plastic-wrapped styrofoam spacers used to prevent parts from shifting during shipment. Here is the hardware box that we will unpack in just a second. Here is the instruction manual that everyone loves to read. Just kidding. Here are the wooden slats that your mattress will lay on. Here is the footboard of the bed. It is also lightweight and pretty easy to handle. Here is a protective polyfoam sheet that is layered between the footboard and the metal drawer bases beneath. Here are 2 more drawer bases, making it a total of 4. You can organize these parts with the other drawer parts that have already been unboxed. All the parts have been unboxed, luckily with no damage, so we can place all the packaging back inside for now. Here are 2 metal side supports. Here are the two metal center support attachments. Here are two more metal side supports. Here's the top metal support and crossbeam. Here are the feet for the metal supports. Here are the storage drawer wheels. Here are the storage drawer clips. And here are the end caps for the wooden slats. And lastly, here's the hardware pack. All of the hardware parts are pre-labeled in order to make the assembly process more manageable. And the end caps are single bagged, so make sure to check the bag for any tears or missing parts that may have scattered. If you enjoyed this unboxing, then please subscribe to the channel and help us reach our goal of 1 million subscribers. If you want to learn how to put this item together, then there will be a link to our step-by-step video assembly guide either on, below, or in the description of this video for you to follow along. If you want to watch our full, detailed review of this item, then there will also be a link either on, below, or in the description of this video for you to learn more. And for other resources regarding this item and where to buy it, check below this video or in the description.